Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 29th of June and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. It's had a great run since early May, gone through all the resistance levels, but on the weekly it is now right at the top of a trading range and it is overbought. We think this is an opportunity for it to consolidate, but this will be a buying chance. So on the daily picture, you can see that we've broken through all the resistance levels that were created by the moving averages, and that we are now approaching the resistance from the high of the 7th of Feb and then the high of the 8th of November. I'll give you those levels shortly. These will cause resistance. You can see from the RSI that we're in very overbought territory and the MACD is flatlining at this high level. I would say that we are going to consolidate. If you look at the weekly chart, each candle here represents 1 week. Then we're right at the top of the trading range. We've had 7 solid weeks of gains. There'll be no surprise if we get a consolidation here. This will allow the 200-day to move down. That will create further resistance at about the 0.74 level. However, if we do get a consolidation, it will also allow the 20-week to cross the 50-week in a bullish formation. That could then give the push that's needed to get this market to break that resistance and to move. If it broke 74, we'll soon be looking at the next resistance levels, which are up at the 77 level. Again, on the weekly, the RSI is indicative of an overbought market, although here the MACD is showing positive momentum, but not yet an overbought market. On the 4-hour, you can see the steady progression that's occurred over the last few weeks. The moving averages are still looking okay, maybe a bit overextended from the 200-day, but there's nothing unusual in that. We've perhaps had a non-confirmation on the RSI, which has just drifted down to 58.2 at the moment. But as the market on just yesterday didn't reach at the high that it achieved on the 27th, then it's not a fully confirmed non-confirmation. On volume, you can see that we are tending to rise on the good volumes, but it's just the resistance on the dailies. Now, looking at the support resistance levels, those key resistance levels are at 73,758, 74,032, with supports at 72.33 and 72.30. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Here are the key points again. We're at the top of the weekly trading range. We're close to key resistance. It's overbought, but a consolidation will be a buying opportunity, especially if we get those weekly 20 and 50 week moving averages creating a golden cross. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember these videos are for information only and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.